Right, so it's taken about a week or so, but I finally got my new office complete. This is only temporary because eventually we're going to be doing a big loft upstairs and I have a lovely office up there. But for now, here's my little studio. I'm so happy with it. Come and have a look. Welcome to my humble abode. Come in. It's not going to take you long to show you this because it's only a small space, but I'm really proud of it and I absolutely love it because I work in here quite a lot. So let's start off first of all by talking about my desk. Really important that I have a standing desk, and maybe you like standing desks too. It's good to just get out of your seat now and again and be able to stand up. And when I'm doing presentations, I find that I'm much more energetic if I'm actually standing rather than slouching down and sitting. So this desk is awesome. Bought this from Desky. It's all hydraulic and it's got some preset buttons here so I can set certain heights and whatever I want. So find that really cool. I absolutely love my monitor. This is a Samsung Odyssey monitor. I think it's like 49 inches, absolutely huge. I used to have two monitors together, but it really frustrated me, the break in the middle. So this gets rid of that completely and no breaks in the middle, and you can put multiple different windows and screens on there. So I find that really useful. Normally have 3 windows at any one point on that screen. As you can see, I've got a multitude of cameras. The camera that I'm talking into now, that's a Sony 7 IV, which is a really powerful camera, really useful for video recording. Up here for my webcams, I've got a Sony 6400. That's great for when it's shooting me. It makes the background nice and blurry because I've got a nice Sigma lens on that. So that makes me look nice and crisp, but the background's a little bit blurry, which can look really good. And then as a backup, I've got a nice Logitech Brio webcam that just helps me out in case any of the other cameras go wrong. So that's pretty much my desk setup. A couple of lights up here just to shine on my nice shiny face, and that's about it. That's what the desk looks like. All of this is powered by a MacBook M1. I actually need to upgrade this. I want to get the newer model now, but the M1 is a really powerful MacBook Pro model, so highly recommend that too. You can't see under the desk, it's full of wires. We've got a lot going on under there, a lot of stuff that needs to be powered. So we've got different hubs and things that get all that going. I think that's made by Kensington. Okay, next thing, let me show you my chair. Really proud of my Secret Lab chair. This is the comfiest desk chair I've ever had. I absolutely love this. Got a few customization options, like you can get this like magnetic pillow that sits on the back, so that's quite cool. And you can obviously move all the arms and swivel and do all sorts with this chair, which is pretty good, but it's really comfy. It's probably one of the best chairs I ever have. I think it's like a gaming chair, but I never play games, but absolutely love this chair. It's awesome. Let me show you some of the other things we've got. So just up on the ceiling here, you'll notice we've got lights everywhere. We've got a rim light that just shines on me when I'm talking. Got another light up here that shines on our picture. This is the backdrop that we've got. Really happy with this backdrop. These slats here, this is all soundproof. So this was from Bunnings, which is an equivalent to like Wilkes and B&Q in the UK, but Bunnings in Australia. Really happy with this because this is soundproofed and it looks absolutely great. Got a nice picture there of the universe and the stars from Etsy. So that was pretty cheap as a print, and I just think that looks awesome as a backdrop, especially with the light shining on it. Got my sofa here. This is branded to my brand colors, so really love my yellowy orange sofa. And then we've got some lights here that just again give a nice soft image as a backdrop when I'm on Zoom, so that just takes away some of the edge when you've got some nice warm lights shining in the background. A real plant here. Hopefully as we go through these videos you don't see that plant dying, because I'm absolutely useless at watering plants, but I'm hoping that my daughter and my wife will come in and water this for me because I'm not going to remember. So hopefully that plant doesn't die and we see that lasting a bit longer. So I think that's pretty much it. That's the office tour. I hope you like it. You're going to see a lot more of this on YouTube. Oh, one last thing I forgot actually. Let me spin all the way around and show you my mirrored blackboard. So this is really cool. So I'm going to be able to draw on this and do some presentations on this blackboard, but what we'll also be able to do is add some graphics to this. So I can point to this and all of a sudden, like you're going to see now, you can see all graphics come up on that, which my video editor will be able to do. So that's going to make our videos just pop a little bit better. That is it for now. Hope you like the YouTube studio or my video studio. Let me know what you think in the comments.